Hello, my name is Carrie Mortelman. I am Director of Go-to-Market for Web Solutions in the EMEA region with Amadeus. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about my tips and tricks for hotel reopenings. I have 5 tips and tricks for you today. So, tip number 1 is COVID-friendly content. It's something that simply cannot be ignored. We're finding that it's one of the top 5 searched pages at the moment. So consider having items about what you're doing in the hotel, items such as cleanliness and masks. We're seeing that it's becoming quite popular. Whilst previously you may have an icon list or a bullet point list of amenities, this is becoming very popular with COVID measures as well. So consider having that on your website, making it quite prevalent, one of the top menu items that's accessible from your menu, so that people can feel reassured when they come to visit your hotel. Tip number 2 is flexible cancellation policies. Again, we want to book holidays, we want to go away, but with the ever-changing environment at the moment, we need to feel secure and safe that if something happens and changes, that we're able to change our booking or that we're able to cancel. And again, make this easily accessible on your website. Make sure that it's near the room's booking page. Make sure that it's in one of the menu items that's very easily accessible so that people can find it. Tip number 3, staycations instead of vacations. So we're thinking local, we're thinking closer to us. Consider things that make your hotel exciting to come and visit, all in packages. Perhaps you have a fantastic restaurant. Perhaps you have a beautiful spa. Perhaps there's local attractions nearby you that are open and that people can come to visit. Create a special package, create an offer, promote it on your website, and show all the exciting things that people can do in your hotel when they come to stay with you. Point number 4 is travel corridors. Now, this may depend on your website technology. With Amadeus Web Solutions, we have something called personalization. So this means that as travel corridors start to open up, and I'm going to use the example of Spain because this is where I live. Spain can come and visit the UK. We're ecstatic. We're excited. We put a personalized message on the website that pops up when it sees that the IP address of the visitor is from Spain, and it says, "Welcome back. We missed you. We will come and pick you up from the airport. You will have Prosecco on arrival. We can't wait to have you visit us again." And the very last tip and trick that I wanted to give, and it's the one that excites me the most, is contactless tech. Now, I know this sounds a little bit cold because in hospitality, we love the human touch. We love to speak to our customers. We love to be close to them to find out what they want, what they need, what they're feeling. But we have to consider contactless at the moment for health and safety reasons. So consider items like having hotel kiosks in the reception that can issue room keys. Items like sending the reservation, the booking confirmation with a QR code. And that QR code can get the person into their room without having to hand over a physical key. Another interesting item is WhatsApp widgets and chatbots on your website as well. So people still feel that they're in contact with you, that they can access you and talk to you easily. So via technology, we're still giving people that human touch and that connection. Consider as well, we have one of our hotels in Colorado, it's called Elevation Resort, and they've partnered with a third-party supplier to put some code into one of our websites that enables room service ordering online. So once again, it's just one less piece of contact. You don't have to pick up the phone and call somebody from the room. You can just order online. Another really exciting thing that I would encourage you to think about is we're seeing different and interesting revenue streams. We have a hotel in Sweden called the Grand Hotel Lund. We had a call with them recently and they said, look, we found that our deli business has picked up phenomenally and it's a new and improved revenue stream for us. So people want that hotel experience, that hotel food, but to eat it at home. So if you have something special, think outside the box. Think of what makes you exciting and what you can promote on your website. I hope that you've enjoyed my tips and tricks today. I hope that it gives you some ideas, and I cannot wait to be able to come and visit you all again. Thank you so much.